In this video, I'm going to talk about different kind of barcodes that come out of Tor Rey LSQ or W, basically any label printing scale that's designed by Tor Rey. So here is a sample of one barcode where you can see the total weight is 6 pounds and 86 ounces, and that's what you can see in the barcode is 686 right here, right? So this is a weight embedded barcode. This kind of barcode will not work with variable price barcode parser. As it's implied in the name, variable price barcode parser requires the price to be in the barcode. So here is another label, also comes out of Tor Rey LSQ scale. As you can see, the total price for this particular package is 52 cents, and that is what's displayed on the barcode. This is the kind of label that will work with Clover, and let me quickly demonstrate. So I'm going to scan, and as you can see, I'm going to zoom in. We are able to pick up the total price and then calculate ourselves the weight of the package. If you are dealing with a barcode label that has price total weight embedded into the barcode, you should know that this barcode will not work on Clover. It will take you to add item screen, or it will assume that what you are processing is price, which will not be correct, because we are looking for price, and what we're assuming on this barcode is that 686 represents a price, when in reality it's the weight. So this isn't the right behavior. So the barcode that you are printing from your Tor Rey scale must have the type of a barcode that generates total price on the barcode, not total weight. Hope this helps. Thanks.